Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update software of your DJI Mavic Mini. So when you open your application and when you are connected with all of your devices and also connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, on the home page you can find this information. If you still don't have it right here, you can click to go fly, tap on the three dots in the right upper corner and then click on About. Right now you will find app version and also fly safe data. To get the new update you can just click right here. As you can see, there is the new firmware, so let's click to update. And as you can see, here we can find information about all of updates that we can download. So let's click right here and do not close this application, do not move your devices, just keep them close and be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, and as you can see right now, the update is successful, but previously when I tried to make it, there was some kind of the problem with the update. Actually, there was some kind of the information that I'm unable to make it. I mean, the phone itself just showed me this information. And how do I fix it? I tried to restart my phone, but it wasn't working, so I have to just uninstall the application, turn off both devices, the controller and Mavic. After that, I installed the new application. I just reinstalled the DJI application and I perform another setup. So I just set them up another time. And after that, as you can see, everything is fine and there is no any problem. So if you have the same problem, if you cannot download your update, I can recommend you to make the same. So simply uninstall application and connect it one more time to your device. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.